Hello students, in the last class we have discussed about the elements and their classification. Now we'll discuss about the symbols and compounds. What is symbol? Symbol nothing but short form. Nothing but if you take an element, the short form of an element called as symbol. So each and every element has a own symbol. So symbol nothing but short form of an element called symbol. So this each and every element is denoted by a symbol. Please keep it in mind. Okay. Each and every element has a own symbol. Like we have many elements having a different types of elements, and different elements have different symbols. Like our fingerprints, all fingerprints are not same. Like all element symbols are not same like our fingerprints. Who discovered this symbols? Who discovered this symbol? J.J. Vergilius. Okay, he has given three uses to recognize the symbol. He has given three uses to recognize the symbol. The first point how to recognize the symbol. First point here, suppose if you want to symbol for any element, so what we do for that case, so we have to use the name of the first letter of symbol. We have to use the name of the first letter of the symbol. So suppose for example, if you have a hydrogen element, if you have an hydrogen is an element. What is the first letter of the hydrogen? H. Here one important point. H should be in capital form, not in a form, short form. The first point is, for example, hydrogen element. What is the first letter of hydrogen? H. Got it? H, and it should be in capital form. So this is the first point to recognize the short form of a symbol of an element. And for suppose carbon, if you take carbon, what is the first letter of the carbon? C. C is the first letter of the carbon, so symbol C. Okay, and this should be in capital letter. And what about sulfur? Yes, sulfur, yes. Okay, all should be in capital form. Okay, so here I have a doubt. Carbon is started with C, hydrogen is started with H symbol, and sulfur we have taken it as a S. So I hope you all understand about this. And what about calcium? Calcium, Ca. How they can recognize this as Ca? I hope you all started with confusion, and even they got confused. So they started thinking how to give the symbol for this type of element. So they kept rule for this type of symbol. So this is the second point. How they recognize this type of elements. So they kept rule for this type of symbols. If the two elements have a same if the two elements have a same first letter. Nothing but here carbon started with C and calcium is started with C. So in such cases we have to take the second letter of the element. Nothing but A. We have to take the second letter of the symbol Ca, calcium. Got it? For example, one more example, aluminium. Aluminium. What is the symbol of aluminium? Al. And here you observe. See, I had taken here as a capital letter and A which is denoted with a small letter. Why I have used this as a small letter? And in the second rule, they have kept a first letter should be in capital and the second letter should be in a small letter. Got it? And what about cobalt? Cobalt. CO. Okay. The first letter with the capital and second letter in small. Now let's discuss about the third rule. Third point. And the third point is we will able to give the symbol to various elements here using their own like different elements we have taken and we have given the different elements for all the in first and second rule. In the third rule we will able to give the symbol to various elements using the Latin name. Here we are using in the third point we are using Latin name to recognize the symbol. How we can use the Latin name to recognize the element? For example, it is very important and very simple. For example, cuprum. What is cuprum? Latin name of cuprum? Copper. Latin name of copper. Cuprum Latin name copper, isn't it? Natrium. 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 Latin name is natrium for sodium. Got it? These are the Latin names. Got it? How? And the symbol is for cuprum Cu and for sodium nothing but natrium Na. CuNa. Here in the third rule we will able to give the symbols to various elements by using their Latin name to recognize the symbol by using their Latin name. Got it? For example, if we take copper, Latin name is cuprum and Cu and sodium Na like plumbum, lead, Pb. Got it? This is all about the symbols and compounds and their rules. Okay. And next, the significance of the symbols. Next, we'll discuss about the significance of the symbols. What is the significance of symbol? First, it represents the name of element. It represents the name of element. And the second point is it represents one atom of element. One atom of element. First point, it represents the name of element. Suppose if I take here hydrogen, H represents what? Hydrogen, isn't it? Hydrogen. And O represents oxygen, isn't it? It represent the name of the element. For example, H nothing but hydrogen, O nothing but oxygen, N nothing but nitrogen. Like that we can represent the name of the element. So what about it? It represents one atom of the element, nothing but it is very important. Here I am taking hydrogen. So we have seen any number, we haven't seen any number in an hydrogen. Can you see any number? No, only H, isn't it? Only H. That means one atom of hydrogen, nothing but one atom of hydrogen. Got it. This is all about the symbols. Hope you understand this video. If please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.